Okay, it's a very exciting day in Dad World today. Today sees the release of the world's first ever McDonald's adult Happy Meal, or better Zappacar. And it might be because it's Wednesday and it's about 6:30, but it's looking a bit busier than usual. Could this be because of the Minecraft adult Happy Meal? Let's find out. My family have already gone in. The app never works. It never works. I'm just gonna wait for 10 minutes. It's in for a change. Here we go.
Mum, do you want to go first?
So there it is. Oh, is that what it is? Chicken nuggets. Oh, that's good. Are you gonna have the adult Happy Meal?
No.
Okay. So you getting the Minecraft meal? So these are the toys that are available in the adult Happy Meal. They kind of look like not adult toys. Well, are they cases? Because I don't understand what the difference is between the boxes and the... Do they fold out into them?
You get Jack Black inside.
They then turn into those animals? Well, they're two different toys. Oh look, you can order the flame sauce for free. Is that right? I'll order one then. Well, let's add two. You can either have a Big Mac one. Oh, okay, you've got it.
It's a shamrocks.
Oh, what flavour is that? What flavour is shamrock?
So
See,
it's
I'm
nature.
confused. They've tied it in with St. Patrick's Day and the Minecraft movie. It's the Irish Minecraft movie. Can I get a close up of this? So it's a mint flavoured milkshake sold during St. Patrick's Day. But it looks like a Minecrafty drink. What is the Minecraft drink?
Mint
Okay. Wow, £10.
Yeah, it costs
How
£10
close,
for me to
£10?
eat McDonald's.
Right, so the choices are Big Mac, Minecraft meal, or what's that in focus? My eyes have gone. The 9
Creepy
chicken
egg.
McNuggets. Oh, so do you get that actual toy, do you think?
I think
with it?
so. I don't want that though.
And then what's that creepy duck? What's that character?
It's not. I don't know.
You don't know? You play Minecraft?
This isn't in Minecraft.
Oh,
this is not the Minecraft I remember.
No, it's not. These are McDonald's characters made as Minecraft characters.
Diabetes duck.
Diabetes duck. Diabetes duck is on the veggie dippers. You're going to get 4 of them. I'm not going for that. I'm going to celebrate St. Patrick's Day with the Tropicana apple.
This would have been huge 10 years ago.
Yeah, it's a bit slow, isn't it?
Minecraft 2015 was like huge. That was peak Minecraft. And Microsoft bought it and ruined it.
So everyone's ordered and it's come to £29, which now feels reasonable now these changed times that we're in. And now it's asking me if I want to donate to a charity so that they can take the credit for the money. But not today because I want to get the credit. Okay, this is a bit of a fail. There's like huge confusion going on. I'll try and explain what went wrong. Apparently we ordered it wrong.
How do you order it wrong?
Well, apparently to get the Happy Meal, the adult Happy Meal, you have to click on a different thing for the adult Happy Meal. So we clicked on the meal, but we didn't click on the Happy Meal. So we didn't get the Happy Meal. So I asked nicely, and they very nicely got us the collectibles. But yeah, the cheeseburgers are tiny now.
Look at my big one.
Last time I had a cheeseburger, it wasn't that small.
Okay,
It's a small Mac.
so everyone's now complaining that the burgers are too small because
It's
they
a small
are.
Mac.
I have had lunch.
So this is our review. The burgers have got tiny. We didn't get the Happy Meal because I didn't press the right button on the Happy Meal. This is going really south. This is not going well.
We paid money for this.
This is like 30 quid.
I'm small.
And either your hands have just turned into giant's hands, or that is the smallest burger I've seen. That's the burgers that we make, you know, when you put them in the air fryer and they shrivel up. That is tiny.
They didn't give us any
Tiny.
ketchup.
Maybe it's to make you feel big. Oh, I can get you ketchup. Ketchup's over there. Ketchup I can fix, but the pressing the wrong button on the Happy Meal I can't fix. and the tiny burgers I can't fix. And but the staff were really helpful and they did sort out some collectibles for us, even though I didn't order the right meal. Yeah, do you want to unbox it?
I like how they use tissue paper.
Oh, like a burger.
Oh, let's go. I got the diabetic dark.
Diabetic dark. Oh.
With an nitro.
How would you describe that? Is it plastic?
Yeah.
What does it feel like?
Very much. Feels like it's supposed to do something.
You should show your triple burger what that's like.
What can I do with it? Do I eat it?
Eat it, yeah. Choke on it. It will probably fill you up more than these tiny burgers. Their burgers have got tiny. I mean, you look like you have huge hands now. So it's the triple burger. I mean, it looks nice, but it looks really small. Okay, I've gone for the nuggets. I'm not sure this Minecraft meal review is going very well. That's what the box looks like. It's what the packaging looks like. It's all really branded. Can you show us your box? What did you go for? The Big Mac?
Yeah, the small Mac.
The small Mac.
Do you have a pen? I want to cross it out. I'm saying it's a small.
Small Mac. And this is what the box looks like for the Minecraft tie-in. Minecraft adult Happy Meal that isn't a Happy Meal.
Do you have a pen? There we go.
And we've got the Nether Flame Sauce. I'm not going to review the Nether Flame Sauce because I did that on the other video. Is anyone going for the Nether Flame Sauce? Do you want to try some? Do you want to try the Nether Flame Sauce first?
Yeah.
Go on then. So we will review the Nether Flame Sauce. I'm disappointed we didn't get the boxes, even though I'm an adult.
It's really spicy.
Can I get some?
Yeah? How hot? On a scale of 0 to 10?
7. The Nether shall I eat again? So.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
How spicy is it on a scale of 0 to 10?
Wait for it to hit.
Yeah, 7 or 8 type for me.
A 7 or 8? Yeah, so we're saying 7's all round. I'd say it's an 8.
I say it's
8.5. Yeah, we had,
Compared to the spiciest thing you've ever eaten.
although we had cold chips yesterday with it, so I think that is probably an improvement.
My fries are cold.
Oh, go and get some more.
Oh look, you got the, guess what? Diabetic duck.
Diabetic dark, amazing. Maybe it's, do you think they're all ducks? Oh, it's that skin. Oh, it's like a McDonald's branded skin.
Minecraft bedrock.
Right. Let me show you some more of the packaging. This is the fries box on the back. So it's potato plus coal. Put it in the furnace. So basically we spent £9 on some nuggets, some fries, apple juice and the diabetes dark figure. Is that good value? I was going to say that's not good value, but actually, you get a card, you get the skin as well. And if you order correctly, you'd get the Happy Meal box as well. Oh, the Nether sauce. The Nether sauce, see, it does build up. Is it £9 though? My sense of value is so skewed now. It's so wrong that I can't measure these things anymore.
It's not bad.
You think it's okay?
It's not good, it's not bad.
It's not good, it's not bad. So I don't know what we did wrong with ordering or not ordering the adult Happy Meal. But we got the food from the adult Happy Meal and the staff very kindly gave us the diabetic duck for the toy. So I'm calling this, I think, a Dad Delivers fail because I screwed up. I didn't get the boxes, we didn't get the Happy Meal, and the burgers are tiny now. So, maybe it's to make you feel like a villager in Minecraft, you know, make your hands feel bigger. Leave me a comment, is this something that you might be getting? Have you noticed the burgers getting absolutely tiny in McDonald's? Little wee burgers, little burger flavour food units. Let us know down in the comments. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps us to keep this channel going and keep us doing these kind of reviews. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next. This is so small.
A wee Mac.
A wee Mac.
Yeah.